On this episode of Bangin Gears, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison from the footage taken from the original GoPro test for camera position and wind noise and the external microphone and polarized lens test. The camera was in the same position in both videos, and we're going to compare the wind noise from the external microphone to the internal microphone. Let's get started. So here's how I have my camera set up on my car. It's in its protective mounting case with the GoPro external microphone adapter plugged in. I use the rubber band just to hold it in place so it doesn't flop around as I drive. I have the lapel mic plugged into the adapter with what they call a dead cat on the end of the microphone, and that just helps break up the wind noise even more. It's very inexpensive, and I definitely recommend it on anybody that has a GoPro mounted on the exterior of their vehicle. I hope this video was very helpful, and I will see you next time on Bangin Gears.